Microorganisms offers various cellular components which can be targeted by spectrum of bactericidal or bacteriostatic antibiotics. Bacteria becomes antibiotic resistant through different mechanisms, leaving antimicrobial drug therapy inefficient. However, the same principle allows selection of recombinant bacteria in molecular biology. Here we'll see how bacteria becomes resistant by producing enzymes which can inactivate drugs. Once the antibiotic resistance gene enter the bacterial cell, it will be expressed to produce drug modifying enzyme. Such enzymes categorized in three groups depending on mechanism of their action. Penicillin binding proteins in cell wall of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria are the targets for beta-lactam antibiotics. Transpeptidase cross-links pentapeptides of newly synthesized peptidoglycan and strengthens the cell wall, which maintains the shape and protects bacterial cell from plasmoptosis. There are various types of penicillin differing in their R groups. Drug-modifying beta-lactamase hydrolyzes beta-lactam ring, making it inactive. Translation targeting antibiotics such as macrolides, ketolides, lincosamides and streptogramins binds to 50S subunit of bacterial ribosome and impairs its translocation. Macrolides like erythromycin and azithromycin gets inactivated by macrolide esterase. Aminoglycoside group of antibiotics binds to 30S subunit of codon reader, that is ribosome, in turn inhibits initiation or misreads mRNA code. Various transferases modify aminoglycosides. For example, kanamycin inactivated by acetyltransferases, phosphotransferases and adenylyl transferases. Erythromycin can also be modified by phosphorylation. Topoisomerase plays crucial role in DNA supercoiling relaxation as well as decatenation of daughter circular DNA. Topoisomerase inhibitor ciprofloxacin can be inactivated by acetyl group transfer. Bacterial peptidyl transferase inhibiting chloramphenicol inactivated by acetyltransferase. Tetracycline binds to 30S subunit of ribosome and inhibits amino acid tRNA binding to translation complex. Monooxygenase oxidizes tetracycline at C11 position, making it non-functional. In transcription, rifamycin binds to beta subunit of RNA polymerase, which blocks exit of newly synthesized RNA and inhibits further polymerization. Rifamycin oxidase oxidizes rifamycin in presence of FAD2 non-functional linearized product. To understand mechanisms of antimicrobial drug action and their resistance, you can go through this book. Thank you.